Hello everyone, welcome back to Learning with Almasi. If you've ever dreamed of turning your passion into profit, today's video is for you. I'm breaking down the step-by-step guide to starting an Etsy shop, from setting to listing your first product, pricing like a pro, and even marketing strategies to help you shine. Let's jump in. Welcome back. I will be showing you a step-by-step guide to starting an Etsy shop. Let's begin. So first things first, I will show you how to create an Etsy account. Set up your shop preferences, choose a memorable name. Create your listings, set up a shop payment and billing information. If you don't have one, you can use your parents' location. I will also be showing you how to customize your shop. Also, how to optimize for SEO, that is search engine optimization. And finally, promote your shop. I will show you various methods. First things first, let me show you how to create an Etsy account. To begin your journey as an Etsy seller, start by visiting etsy.com. That is www.etsy.com. At the right top corner of the homepage, click on sign in, then select register to open a new account. Fill in your details as honestly as possible. That is, fill in your full names, your email address, and a secure password that only you know about. Once completed, confirm your email address to activate your account. After setting up your Etsy account, you'll be ready to explore the platform and take the next step towards opening your shop. Creating your account is quick and straightforward, paving the way for you to showcase your creativity and start selling to a global audience. Now we are going to set up our shop preferences. After logging into your Etsy account, navigate to the top of the page and click on Sell on Etsy to start selling up on your shop. Follow the guided prompts to configure your shop preferences. Begin by selecting your shop's primary language, which determines the listings that will be displayed. Next, choose your country and currency in which you'd like to receive your payments. These settings ensure Etsy tailors the platform to your needs and provide a smooth experience for both you and your potential customers. Once you've completed these steps, you'll be ready to move on creating your own shop. Choosing a memorable shop name, that's the third step. Your brand's identity is crucial for your business, so make it as unique and reflective of what you sell. It should capture the essence of your products and the values you want to convey to your customers. If your first choice of name is taken, do not worry, because Etsy has your back. They will provide an alternative suggestion to help you find the perfect fit. Take the time to explore creative options that align with your brand's mission and resonate with your target audience. Remember, a strong, memorable name can make a lasting impression and set your shop apart from the competition. Now we will look at creating our listings. In order to get started, click on add a listing and begin uploading clear, high quality photos of your products. These images are the first thing potential customers will definitely see, so ensure they showcase your items in the best light, highlighting key details. Next, write a detailed and engaging description that will provide all the necessary information about your products, such as materials, dimensions, and its uses. Use descriptive languages to make your items more appealing. Finally, include relevant tags and keywords to improve search visibility and help shoppers discover your products as easily. This combination of visuals and descriptions, and definitely tags, will set your listings up for success. Next, we will set up a payment and billing information. Etsy requires information on how you get paid, so you'll need to set up your payment preferences. Additionally, you must provide billing details to cover any associated fees. This ensures smooth financial transactions for your shop, enabling you to receive payments from customers and handle costly listing and transaction fees as seamlessly as possible. Now we customize our shop. Enhance your shop by adding a banner, a unique shop title, and a compelling introduction. These elements work together to create a cohesive and professional brand experience that attracts customers. Your banner sets the tone visually, the title defines your identity, and the introduction provides a personal touch, giving shoppers insight into your products and story. Optimize for SEO. To optimize your listings for SEO, that is search engine optimization, incorporate relevant keywords into your title, descriptions, and tags. Think like your customers. What specific words or phrases would they use to search for your products? Use detailed, targeted keywords to describe your items clearly, such as materials, styles, or purpose. Avoid generic terms and focus on specifics to increase visibility. Including these keywords naturally in your descriptions will help you improve in your search rankings, making it clearer and easier for potential buyers to discover your shop. Regularly update and refine keywords based on trends and customer feedbacks for even better results. Promote your shop. Promoting your shop by sharing it on social media platforms to reach a wider audience and build awareness. Join Etsy teams to connect with other sellers, gain insights, and collaborate on marketing strategies. To attract your first customers, consider offering promotions or discounts to encourage purchases and build reviews. Engage with your audience through creative posts and exclusive deals that can create excitement around your products and help establish a loyal customer base for your shop. Thanks for watching. If you found this video to be helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to learn with Almas, and let me know in the comments, what are you planning to sell on Etsy? I'd love to hear about your journey. Until next time, happy selling.